Now let's see CBSE 10th Max chapter Trigonometry, that is 8th chapter, second exercise 8.2. This is the third sum. Okay, what is given? If tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, find a and b. Okay, so now it's given that tan a plus b is equal to root 3. So for tan, when we put which angle, we'll get root 3. So we all know that tan 60 degree is equal to root 3, right? So degree, correct? So we can keep this as equation 1. And now what is given? Tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. So what is the value of 1 by root 3 for tan? Tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. So a minus b is equal to 30. So this can be the second equation. Now we have to find out a and b. For that, let's try eliminating either one. Okay. So now we can add first equation and second equation. What is equal to 60 degree and a minus b is equal to 30 degree. So when we add this both equation, we'll get 2a is equal to 90, which means a is equal to 45, right? So we have got a to be 45. Now let's substitute the value of a in first equation. 45 plus b is equal to 60, which implies b is equal to 60 minus 45 and b is equal to 15. So the value of a is 45 and the value of b is 15. So now so angle A is equal to 45 degree and angle B is equal to 15 degree. So now let's move on to the next sum, that is the fourth sum. What is given? True or false? Justify your answer. First question, sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. So how can we check this? Okay, actually the statement is false. I'll just prove you how it's false. Now consider any angle for A and any angle for B. Let's take A is equal to 30 degree and let's take B is equal to 60 degree. Now see, sin A plus B, or it is sin A plus B in the sense sin 30 plus 60, right? Will it be? Sin 90 degree. What is sin 90? It's 1, right? Now just see here. We got for sin A plus B, we got 1. Now sin A, that is sin 30 degree plus sin 60 degree. What is sin 30? It's 1 by 2. And what is sin 60? It's root 3 by 2. We'll be getting 1 plus root 3 by 2. So we know that this is not equal to 1. So that this statement is false. We can never write like this. Next, just see the value of sin theta increases as the theta increases. So what is sin 0? Sin 0 is 0. What is sin 30? It's 1 by 2. Sin 45? 1 by root 2. Sin 60? Root 3 by 2. And sin 90 is 1, right? So 1 by 2, what will we get? 0.5. Here what will we get? We'll be getting, what is the value of root 2? What is the value of root 2? It's around 1.4. So here 1.3 by 2 and here it's 1, okay? So the values seem to be increasing, right? This also you'll be getting something less than 1 only. Here also you'll be getting something less than 1 only. Around 0.7 or 8 something you'll be getting like that. So we can see here the value is increasing from 0 to 1. So the statement what is given? It's given that the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. As we are increasing the angle of theta like 0, 30, 45, 60, the value of sin theta is also increasing, right? So the statement is true. Next question is the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. So what is cos 0? It's 1. What is cos 30 degree? It's root 3 by 2. What is cos 45 degree? It's 1 by root 2. What's cos 60 degree? 1 by 2. And what is cos 90 degree? It's 0. They have given that the value of cos theta increases as we keep increasing the theta. Just see what is cos 0. It's 1, right? What is cos 90? It's 0. Has it increased from 0? It has from 1 it has become 0. Has the value increased or decreased? It has just decreased, right? As the theta is increasing from 0 to 90, the value has decreased. But they have given the question that it will increase. So this is false. Next, sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. Is sin 0 and cos 0 same? No, right? 0, sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. This cannot be equal. Similarly, is sin 30 and cos 30 same? No, they are not equal. For every value, it's different. The sin values and cos values for the angles are different. The sin value and cos value for the same theta will be different only. Like sin 60 and cos 60 can never be equal. So this is false. Next, what is given? Cot theta is not defined for A is equal to 0 degree. So they have told us that. So they have told us that to find out cot 0. They have told us that cot 0 is not defined. Cot 0 is. They have told us that cot 0 is not defined. So what is cot 0? It's actually cos 0 by sin 0. What is cos 0? Just check here. Cos 0 is 1 and sin 0 is 0. Is equal to 1 by 0. Anything divided by 0 is not defined. Okay. So this statement is true.